Hello everyone. Welcome to the fifth video on multi-agent solutions and energy management systems. I'm glad to hear that you are interested in exploring the implementation of multi-agent solutions and energy management systems. Where would you like to start today?
Hi. I am interested in understanding how these solutions can help us improve energy efficiency and meet our sustainability goals. What steps would you recommend to get started?
The first fundamental step is to conduct an assessment of energy needs and objectives. This process allows us to understand how energy is being used in your organization, identify inefficiencies, and define clear goals. For example, through energy audits and real-time monitoring systems, we can identify consumption patterns and areas for improvement. This not only reduces operating costs, but also aligns your energy objectives with your corporate strategies.
Interesting. What technological tools do you suggest to achieve these goals?
This is where the selection of technologies and platforms comes in. Technologies such as IoT, SCADA, and energy management systems, EMS, are key. SCADA systems allow you to monitor and control processes in real time, while IoT extends these capabilities by analyzing large amounts of data and enabling connectivity between devices. In addition, EMS optimize energy consumption and help you comply with environmental regulations. It is crucial to choose tools that are scalable, compatible with your current systems, and offer cybersecurity robustness.
And how do these technologies connect to our day-to-day operations?
Once the platforms have been selected, we implement specialized agents that are in charge of energy monitoring and optimization. These agents, based on artificial intelligence, collect real-time data, identify inefficiencies, and propose adjustments automatically. For example, they can integrate renewable energy sources and perform predictive maintenance to extend the life of your equipment. This level of automation not only increases operational efficiency, but also reduces costs and minimizes your environmental footprint.
That sounds very interesting, but I am concerned about how all of this would integrate with our existing systems.
It makes sense. Integration with systems such as BMS, ERP, and energy management software is key to ensuring smooth operation. For example, building management systems, BMS control services such as HVAC and lighting. By integrating them with your ERP and energy software, you get a centralized view and can make informed decisions based on real-time data. It is essential to plan for this integration by considering compatibility, open protocols, and staff training.
What if our needs change in the future? Will we be able to expand these solutions?
Of course. This is where the importance of scalability and modularity comes in. A well-designed system allows you to add new functions or areas without affecting its performance. For example, you can integrate more devices, expand to new locations, or include technological innovations without significant restructuring. This approach ensures that your investments are sustainable and in line with the growth of your organization.
Perfect, but before making a decision, I would like to understand how to ensure that the system will work correctly from the beginning.
This is an essential step. During the testing, validation, and commissioning phase, we perform extensive checks to verify that everything is working as planned. For example, we evaluate energy performance under different conditions, validate system integration, and train personnel in its use. This process ensures that the system operates efficiently from the start, reducing risks and guaranteeing return on investment.
It sounds very good. With everything you've explained to me, it sounds like these solutions not only improve efficiency, but also bring sustainability.
Exactly. What's really interesting about these solutions is their ability to transform daily operations into more efficient and sustainable models. I am sure that together we can design an implementation tailored to your needs and objectives. Would you like to start with a preliminary assessment?
Yes, please. I am ready to take the first step. Thank you for the clear explanation. Who can I contact to move forward?
Great. We will make sure that this is the beginning of a successful transformation for your company. You can contact our expert Antonio Fresco Navacerrada via LinkedIn. He will guide you through the process and will be able to clarify any other doubts you may have. Thank you for watching this video, and do not forget to subscribe to be more informed about how artificial intelligence can revolutionize the energy efficiency of companies.